my camera could focus, that would be cool. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm super excited for because it is a brand I have not tried and it has been on my radar for quite some time now, and they just released these mystery boxes and I figured that was probably the best way to test out some of their products, so I picked one up and it is the Gerard Cosmetics mystery box, and I picked up their diamond. I believe they have 3 different levels of their boxes. This was the largest one and it has over a $400 retail value. When I'm editing, I will let you know in the description or on the screen how much of a retail value my box was. I have seen really good reviews on YouTube and Instagram. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried Gerard Cosmetics and how your experience was. Let's dive in. All right, here we go. Ooh, and this is what the box looks like. So the smallest box is the gold box. You pay $39 and it's $110 minimum value. Platinum is the second biggest and it is $69 and it's $195 minimum value. And then this is the diamond, which is the largest size. You pay $149 and it is a $425 minimum value. And the card says, in honor of our 5-year anniversary, we wanted to spoil you with something we know you have been wanting. These limited edition Gerard Cosmetics love boxes. Inside these bad boys, you will discover your gift packed with an array of Gerard Cosmetics Slay Essentials. I love how their tagline is slay all day. It is so cute because I love using the word slay. So I feel like I can relate to this on like a spiritual level. We hope this box brings you joy and happiness and shows you how much we love you. Keep slaying, Jen. And Jen Gerard is the CEO. I don't know her personally. I've interacted her very minimally on Twitter. I tweeted that I was really excited for this diamond box and she was like, yay, I can't wait for you to get it. So it seems like she's very personable. I love to get to know her more and I'm really excited to test out her brand. So the first product, it looks like we got like this teeth whitening. This is the Bright Express teeth whitening system and it looks like they partnered with Whitening Lightning. There is a website and number below, so I'm actually really excited to test this out. I feel like a lot of like teeth whitening stuff I've been using recently hasn't been helping. I don't know what this one tooth is just out of whack, so maybe this will help. Let me know what you guys use to teeth whiten, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, because I need something. And if you have tried this, let me know how your experience was. Oh, it looks like we got this cosmetics bag that says slay all day. So this is what the bag looks like. And it's like a deep pocket. It looks like it could fit a decent amount of makeup goodies in that. Excited to implement that when I travel. Just wanted to show you guys again. And this is what you guys have been waiting for. So we're gonna go one by one and see how everything is. Oh, there's even a pop socket in there. I love pop sockets. This is the first product. This is the Slay All Day Setting Spray. And I got the shade Mango. Very nice. Oh, and they are cruelty free. Just wanna see how this feels on my face. Ooh, it smells just like mangoes. Ooh, yes. That feels quite refreshing. I really liked how the component dispensed product, I feel like a lot came out. I feel like my whole face hit it nice from how I do my initial sprays. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my whole face feels nice and hydrated. And I'm gonna smell like mangoes. I just hope wasps aren't out yet and come after me. And I think they have like a few different scents. I think they have like a coconut, cucumber, and maybe a lavender. Maybe I'm making that up, but I do know they have like a white, a green, and a purple, and that was what my assumption was. Let me know if I'm right, if I'm wrong, and if you like these setting sprays. The second product is the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream, and you apply it to clean skin over or under foundation or moisturizer. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that's what it looks like. This would be really nice to mix with your foundation for a very glowy, dewy look. Ooh, Ooh, that is pretty. I don't know if you could use it as like a cream highlighter. I would love to mix that in with foundation. I don't really do that, but I think this would be really fun. And that was such a pretty shade. And it blended really nice into the skin. So for someone like me who has really dry skin, that would look really nice and dewy without looking too shiny and greasy. And this is the shade Brigitte. Let me know what other shades there are and which ones you have tried. I have also not mixed foundation with like an illuminator before, so I can't really speak on experience with that. If you have any tips and tricks on mixing foundations with illuminators, let me know. Oh, it looks like we got another Slay All Day setting spray. Looks like a mini one, which is good for travel. Yep, this is 1 fluid ounce, and this is the shade Watermelon. Ooh, I'm not gonna spray it just because I just sprayed mango. And for reference, the larger size was 3.38 fluid ounces, and the illuminator was 1.69 ounces. The next product is the Mist-ified Hydrating Facial Mist. I really love these as toners or just pick-me-ups throughout the day. And it says to spray before or after your makeup application to keep your skin hydrated. Maybe it's similar to like, I know a lot of people like the Pixie Milky Mist and the Catrice sprays as well. So maybe I'm gonna try this. I've been wanting to pick up Pixies. It has been recommended by my friend Joy. Thank you so much, Joy. So I'm gonna see how that compares with this, maybe as like a step 1 before even applying primer, just to have like that extra moisturizing for your face. For me, in some of my areas, minus the T-zone, there can never be too much moisture because it just disappears from my face. You spray it on, you hydrate it, and then like an hour later, you're like, where'd it go? Poof! Fly away, moisture. You're free! You're free! The next product is the Lip Medic. Ooh, my lips need this. Actually, they're kind of cooperating right now, but for the future, ooh, just like a scrub. Okay. That feels nice. I can feel it exfoliating. I think it'd be nice to like go over with a chapstick afterwards, just because it does feel a little dry. So just to return some moisture after exfoliating. I don't have any on deck right now, but if I did, that's what I would do. Ooh, it looks like we got another Slay All Day setting spray, and this is the shade Jasmine. It's another travel size. For me, you can never have too much setting spray. I go through my Urban Decay ones so quickly. I have like 5 of these mini ones on my makeup desk right now. The next product, we have a lip pencil, and this is the shade Bel Air. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, this looks like a nice everyday. Ooh, yes. And that is what the shade Bel Air swatched. I feel like I can get a lot of use out of this. That's if I was to be consistent with a lip liner. I'm excited to incorporate that in future videos. The next item, we have a Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is the shade Rose Gold. I'm not really big into metallic lipsticks, but this could be the first. Ooh, I feel like that rose gold would work really well with Bel Air. Since I don't have any lip products on my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. The formula feels hydrating, which I love. A lot of liquid lipsticks can be drying. It's just like a nice shine to the lips. If they have some other shades, let me know what your favorites are. Let's just try a transfer test to see. Ooh, I don't really see anything on my hand. We have another lip pencil, and this is the shade Immortal. I love that song by Fall Out Boy. Every time I hear it, I think of Big Hero 6. Love that movie. Ooh, this is a nice red. Ooh, yes. I don't have many lip liners in my collection, so these are gonna get a lot of use. And both shades that I received, Bel Air and Immortal, are shades that I gravitate towards. Definitely will be helping out outlining my lips before filling in. These lip pencils feel very creamy. I'm really excited to test them out. I think we got another lip pencil, and this is the shade Ecstasy. Is it a pink? Ooh, even better, a mauve. And we're gonna swatch it right next to Immortal. Yes. I really like that shade too. Sorry for the swatches going all over the place. I was leaning up against the big box. It happens. Ooh, okay. Now we have a Supreme Lip Cream in the shade Wild Berry Tart. I'm excited to swatch this. I'll swatch it on my lips too. Ooh, very pretty. Lots of lip products. I am living for it. Ooh, that's a very pretty shade. I'm just gonna wipe off rose gold, and here we go. I love this. This is like a perfect nude for me. I know it's a little bit more pink for a nude. To me, this is a very neutral shade compared to like my bright reds and plums that I love. Ooh, that's super creamy when I rub my lips together. I think I could get a lot of use out of this shade because it adds just enough a pop of color to my lips with not being overwhelming. So a great shade for work or class. Ooh, we have a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Adam and Eve. Okay, this is like the lightest shade I've received so far, so it might be the scariest for me, but we can always try and make it work. Cosmetics first impressions lip swatches. Leave me a comment below what your favorite Gerard Cosmetics product is. What did you get in your mystery box? Which mystery box did you get? Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.